sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, ma'am, like, you do content creation, you do Zumba, at the same time, teacher, tas at the same time as a mom, but what do you love the most?
What I love the most,
Mm-mm.
I really love my teaching.
Teaching
Yeah,
talaga.
since the time that I was still very young, when my teacher asked me when I was in the elementary, what do you want to be in the future?
Mm-mm.
I always tell my teacher, I want to become a teacher. And it's a dream come true for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Tapos nung naging teacher ka na, so ano yung pakiramdam?
I'm happy, I'm satisfied, especially when I am with my students.
Okay.
Malipay ra jud ko.
Mali pero bitaw no.
Malipay ra jud ko.
As in, bisag ka nang maglungot-lungot na ka,
Bahala
kay
na
na
lang
mga
magabot,
absent, baya usahay,
nana.
na yung mga late,
Yeah.
kanya ka nang, basta daghang yung mga siaw sa
At
ato
the
mga
end of the
swatan.
day, mo na ra jud ko. Question na jud ko sa akong kagalingon nga, did I do something to my students today na ako nabuhat nila nga maayo? And then I always answer my own question with yes. So I'm satisfied every day.
So that means
Because the passion of teaching is there.
Yeah. So that means, ma'am, yung pagiging teacher mo or ikaw teacher ka na ngayon, like you mean to say that is something that your teacher influenced you to become one? Or talagang before going to
Yan
school,
lang.
gusto mo na talaga maging teacher?
Gusto ko lang yan eh.
O gusto mo talaga maging
Kasi
teacher?
may impression ako sa teacher noon. Kasi parang, for me, before, when you are a teacher, you are really somebody.
Oo, di ba? Dito sa atin, di
Going
ba?
to school with nice shoes, with uniform, with lipstick, with shoulder bag. That's something.
Parang it's everything. Parang everyone
Total
looks up to
package.
you, di ba?
Oh,
Parang
yeah.
ganon. Tsaka naalala ko pa dati yung napaka-fashionista mo.
May mga burlolo at may mga earrings
I
pa.
know, right? I
Yeah.
know, right? I'm not sure if it was you, but I think you're part of it na parang there was this one time na parang, kasi yung kuya ko, nagtrabaho siya sa yung paggawa ng mga burlolo.
Yes!
Can you remember that?
I think I still have mine.
No,
I
parang
have my
yung,
collection.
oh
Lots
really?
of collection.
Parang yung parang may dala kong burloloy na parang hiram, parang you like it. Oo.
I forgot.
I'm not sure kung nakahiram ka noon, pero as far as I can remember, may nakahiram noon si yung anak ni
Ma'am si Saldo siguro. Basta.
Oh, yun. Parang gustong-gusto niya yun. Pero iba na talaga dati, 'di ba? Like kanang how do you compare your attitude when it comes to teaching before and now? Kasi nga kaya ako natatanong to, ma'am, kasi nga dati, 'di ba? Parang I know naman that we can be friends before. It's just that noon lang talaga is parang, when you are a teacher ka. If you're a student ka talaga. So, kailangan talagang magpaka-estudyante ako kasi kailangan ko magtapos. Ikaw, you need to be a teacher because, you need to take care of these students, diba? So, now, what's the difference between you as a teacher like way back 10 years ago and now?
It's different because, as what I have observed, students before really give lots of respect to teachers. And then, when the teacher is away in the room, before, students will not stay in the table of the teacher or sit in there because they look for the teacher na parang mas mataas kanila. Pero as I have seen at present, the teacher of students really matters a lot, and it differs from before.
Yes.
Because some of them are behaving not the way you behaved before. There's really a change.
There's really a
for
big
this,
difference talaga.
Big difference with the students before and the students now.
Kasi 'di ba?
The attitude.
Oo. Kasi 'di ba, naalala ko, naranasan ko pero hindi naman sa iyo, hindi ko naman naranasan. Naranasan ko pa dati yung binatuwa ko ng chalk tsaka yung eraser.
Yeah.
Pero hindi ko pa naranasan yun. Pero 'di ba, kasi nga dati, pag may mga teacher talaga, parang normal yung parang babatuhin ka ng chalk pag di ka nakinig o tsaka yung eraser. Pero ganun. Pero ngayon,
hindi
pag ang estudyante, binato mo ng chalk tsaka
hindi
eraser, nag-viral ka na.
Yeah. And
Diba?
aside from that, before, during that time na okay pa yon, hindi ko naman yan ginagawa. Kasi I have
Wait lang, ma-check ko nga.
I have that experience doing it because I always understand the student, and aside from that, I always have this controlling myself. I control myself not to do it, not to hurt the students, though the use of words, bullying the students, I tried my best not to do it before. Yeah, karon sa the same. Though I have lots of students at present, kamurag grabe na jud kabadlungon, pero I still not doing it to them. Kay aside from hindi tayo ma-viral, para sa akin as a teacher, we're there in the classroom, not to do something bad to the students who behave like that. It's our way sana to of guiding them what is the proper way to do.
Okay, I
Or
like.
what's the proper way of behaving while you're
Mm-mm.
inside the school. That's the reason why maybe may mga students naman ako na while I am having my class, hindi sila masyadong nagbehave ng kanang they behave well in my
Mm-mm.
class, no. Yeah, I heard from other teachers nga kana sila badlong na sila, pero why is it that they did not do it in my class?
Oh, really? So that means takot sila sa'yo? Or,
Takot siguro sila, or siguro they just give extra respect.
mm-mm.
Maybe because dinidid ba lang tayo ni ma'am pag hindi tayo magbehave na lang tayo.
Oo. Kasi naalala ko dati, alam mo yun, pero agree ako doon sa sinabi mo, na parang being a teacher, it's everything. It's giving, you know?
Giving.
Para kang isa sa mga icon para kang isang fashionista sa Paris. Paris, di ba? Parang, because I can see before, as far as I can remember or recall, na parang, you know, everyday talaga nakita ka naglalakad with your heels on, sobrang yung
Wala na,
pointed.
hindi na ako nag-heels.
Hindi na kaya.
Parang mabigat na kasi yung body ko.
Parang nakita ko yun, tapos with your makeup on,
Mm.
di ba? Tsaka, grabe yung dati, no? Kasi pag andyan pumapasok ko na sa room namin, talagang natahimik kami. Alam mo, hindi ko not to be biased, ha, during our time, parang hindi naman sa pag pumapasok ko na talaga, parang na kami, parang natatahimik na kami. Kasi, parang kumaga before kasi, parang, when you enter the room, parang ano ka na, diretso ka na sa chalk. Okay, class, ito na, ganon. Parang, yun talaga, lesson na agad. Diba?
Lesson na agad. Kasi parang nagmamaximize na din sa time. Pero it's quite different at present because before, maybe you still experience before that I wrote something on the board and you copy in your notebook.
Yes.
At present, no more copying.
Oh,
because,
really?
We're using the Moodle, and aside from that, we are having our television inside the room.
Ah.
So we're using the PowerPoint. So
mas ano na siya, mas magaan na siya sa
mas
mga
magaan
teacher.
na siya sa teacher. Unlike before, nag-write, nag-visual
grabe,
aid.
no?
Ngayon, wala na. Computer na, and then nag-HDMI na doon sa room, o ang time, pa-slack na lang, o nandoon na.
Pero mas okay ngayon, ma'am,
presentation
diba?
na.
Kasi nga before, diba, parang, kasi nga, ako din gusto ko talaga maging teacher, eh. You know? Unfortunately,
it's not yet late.
I know. Unfortunately, I was not that fortunate enough to become a teacher during my time. However, I've learned a lot din naman. But, you know, as a teacher, parang minsan naisip ko din na parang walang pahinga. Kasi nga, di ba, Monday to Friday na school ka. Tapos, parang naisip ko na, parang kasi, alam mo ba yung isa sa mga bagay na lagi ko nakita sa inyo pag even if like you're kanang going home na, yung lesson plan nyo na parang
bringing something. Before, we are pressure with the lesson plan because we are always writing it. And aside from that, for me, since before, I did not consider it as a pressure to myself as a work because I only have, I think, 2 preparations. It's quite different in the elementary because you are preparing all the subjects. In the high school, you are going to prepare only subjects you are handling. So before, I used to write also my lesson plan. I extended my work, bring the lesson plan at home, do it here. Pero I do it kana religiously. I always do it so that I will not feel the pressure of doing the lesson plan today and doing the lesson plan back days. How many days na hindi ako nakapag-write. That's the reason why I always have my lesson plan checked by Ma'am Ibo before.
Okay.
And then at present, it's different because you can have it the electronic way. You can research, you can download the lesson plan. Yeah, you have already the module, you have the guide on what to do every day.
So, mas napapagaan yung trabaho niyo ngayon?
Napapagaan na sa ngayon dahil binigyan kami ng pagkakataon ng DepEd na mapagaan yung work ng teacher. Before, ikaw yung mag-think, aklat yung nasa iyo, and then ikaw yung mag-think, ano ang strategy na gagamitin ko sa aralin na ito. Ngayon parang everything provided na.
Okay.
And then,
that's nice.
mag-download ka na lang ng lesson plan.
So, everything is there na. Parang ang gagawin mo na lang is to present it.
2%
diba?
na lang.
Nice. Shout out sa DepEd.
Shout out sa DepEd. Positive ka. Kasi ako ngayon sa DepEd. Oo nga.
Okay.
Always.
Okay. What are your messages to these students na parang napag-iwanan pa rin ng panahon? Alam mo yung kiat gihapon? So what are your messages to them watching this video right now?
Good afternoon to my
Especially though yung mga na-under mo or kahit hindi na-under mo, yung mga kakilala mo lang.
Good afternoon to all my students or the students of Borbo National High School. Shout out guys sa inyo ha. So, there are times na magkiata sa eskwelahan. Pero there
Mm.
are times nga we need to behave also because we need to focus on our studies. So we have to manage our time kung kano sa pwede magkiat, kano sa pwede dili magkiat. And be serious with your studies because it's almost, the school year is almost over. And there's no kanang kanang bitang dili na ka magmahay. What will
Mm-mm.
happen to you, to your grades in the future.
At the end of the
Especially
year.
to my grade 10 students nga kanang bitang wala lang yun, nagtuo lang nga wala lang, and
Mm-mm.
then mo appeal ba mo sa completer o niya. How could you become a completer kung wala ta ni perform sa
Mm-mm.
duties and responsibilities as a student? Mura gyud na ibutang sa inyong hunahuna. And do not be absent.
Mm-mm. Ayun guys.
Present yun. Pero
Yes, importante talaga yung attendance before,
Attendance.
no? Kahit na, alam mo yon yung kahit gaano mo pa kagaling sa school, but when you're out for a day, 2 days, 3 days, ang grabe yung impact talaga.
Yes.
Diba?
Because ngayon, ang naging basihan na natin sa ating grading yung performance.
Mm-mm.
Performance-based na tayo ngayon. So, how could you perform the activities in school when you are out of school?
Correct, exactly.
When you are not in school, how could you perform? So
That's what I wanted to tell to myself, 20 years ago. Pero
bitaw,
diba,
attendance is very important.
oo, yes. Naniniwala talaga ako. Not just, at school, but kahit naman sa
Kahit
trabaho,
saan.
di ba? Because if you don't, go to school, wala kang grades, performance. If you don't come to work,
You
wala
don't have
sweldo.
salary.
Di ba? And,
Oh,
ayun. So,
attendance is very important.
ayun guys, narinig yung attendance, very important. But, what about, those are for your, students na pag-iwanan ng yung panahon, di ba? But what are your message naman? I know that you also have not favorites, but sometimes we have favorites naman, di ba? Like, gusto ko to. But I know that you're also a fair teacher when it comes to giving grades. But what are your message to your students na parang, sometimes parang ang bigat sa loob or may pinagdadaanan ka, but parang may mga estudyante talaga tayo parang nagbibigay ng gaan ng loob sa atin on a daily basis.
No.
So, what are your message to them at school?
My message, especially to my dear students in the grade 10, all sections, I have monitors. I give them responsibilities to do every day. While I am having my class, naasan sila diha.
Mm-mm.
Naasan sila yung mga responsibility like those who are assigned in every table. So, ako message lang, your passion for education, ipadayon lang yun siya, and you can have a better future if you will continue doing it. Kanang, lang yun, respeto lang sa imong kaugalingon, respeto sa imong teacher, o higugma ang imuhang trabaho while you are in school, you will succeed in the future.
So narinig niyo yon. So makinig kayong mabuti ha, di ba? Okay, ma'am, thank you so much for
Yes.
for your time today. I really
Yeah.
appreciate it. At last, di ba, nakapag-collab na din tayo.
Yes.
But I'd like to thank this opportunity as well to tell everyone na si Ma'am Christine, siya po yung naging teacher ko sa Filipino.
Api.
Api, oo. I was very fortunate enough because we're not that close yet before, pero kilala niyo yung parents ko. Like,
Yeah.
yung iba kong kapatid, di ba? Kasi dyan yung nag-aaral.
I know Elizabeth.
Oo. Ano mo rin yun?
Oh, nag-chat kami kahit nasa Maynila siya.
Oh, really?
ngayon.
Up until now?
Oh.
Andyan siya ngayon. Nanonood siya ngayon.
Shout out to my dear friend.
Oo, ayun. So, I was really fortunate enough because, having someone, she's not just a teacher to me, parang, she's also a friend before. It's just that, before Manggod, we're not that very diverse, na
No.
parang we can see na bluntly na parang, friends relationship when it comes to between students and a teacher, parang discret lang before eh. Pero ngayon, lantara na kasi, di ba, parang okay na sa kanya, di ba?
okay
Parang
na.
we're very diverse na ngayon, di ba? Kasi dati, pag teacher ka, parang, teacher ka
talaga,
lang. Hindi, teacher ka lang. Parang, teacher ka, parang mahiya kaming lapitan ka kasi teacher ka, di ba? There has to be, like, boundaries. Like, parang ganun.
There's a boundary.
Mm-mm. But I'm so happy na parang, kumbaga, we started as a friend, but right now, parang super friends, di ba? We even message each other sa messenger,
Yeah,
kumustahan, or,
kumustahan.
giving comments to each other, like,
Yeah.
kumustahan sa life. And I like it. And I also like the fact that you also have interaction with your students. I know that you're good enough when it comes to interacting your students in the room, but, that also speaks volume how you interact other people outside
Outside.
school or the campus, 'di ba? Parang it would reflect manggod, no? Parang you're this jolly ka ng teacher at school, how much more pag nasa labas ka na. And I like the fact that we're still here. Let's do fast talk before we end this video. Okay, well, it's just, saglit lang naman. So, we'll just depend the fast talk na lang. You just have to select one na lang naman. Okay, so, let me just, open my, my kodigo. Kasi may kodigo tayo dito. So, dapat talaga yung mga tanong natin dito. Kasi yung mga tanong dito is na ko lang din. Yung na-research ko lang, na nakita ko na, mga usual na tinatanong sa mga fast talk, diba? Okay, so, now, unang tanong, ma'am.
Yay.
Okay. Just have to select one, ha? Okay. Flowers or chocolates?
Flowers.
Teaching or vlogging?
Teaching.
Zumba or teaching?
Teaching talaga.
Boys or girls?
Girls.
Okay. Facebook or Instagram?
Facebook.
Okay. One last question. State your name. I am.
I'm Christine Bibo. I am a teacher 3 of Bourbon National High School. At the same time, the guidance counselor of the school and the SSLG advisor.
Woo!